Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Combat Evolved Co-op. To begin, you will need the Master Chief Collection, available on both PC and Xbox. This collection offers the most reliable and accessible way to experience the classic campaign with a friend. You can team up with one other player to tackle the entire story, reliving iconic moments together and experiencing the adventure side by side. To set up your co-op game, first launch the Master Chief Collection. From the main menu, select Halo Combat Evolved. Next, navigate to the Campaign section and choose the Co-op Campaign option. Once in the lobby, you can easily invite a friend from your platform's friends list to join your session. Remember to ensure both players have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Playing co-op in Halo Combat Evolved allows you to experience the entire legendary campaign alongside a friend. You can work together to overcome challenging enemy encounters, coordinate your attacks, and provide crucial support. This shared experience truly enhances the classic story, creating memorable moments as you both fight to save humanity from the Covenant threat across many iconic levels. For the best co-op experience, ensure both you and your teammate have a strong and stable internet connection. It is important to note that Halo Combat Evolved Campaign Co-op does not support cross-platform play, so both players must be on the same platform, either PC or Xbox. Remember to communicate clearly with your partner to strategize, share ammunition, and revive each other when needed, making your adventure even more successful and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.